Hello and welcome to the VTech channel. For this show, we're going to be talking with Mark Rushton from VTech and Lorna Garrett, co-founder of Garland Partners. Our topic today is hard or soft. Is it obvious?
Hi, the marketplace is crowded with hardware devices and software solutions for transmitting video over IP. So what should one choose?
Well, Lorna, it comes down to three primary elements really. You've got your encoders, your transcoders and your decoders, all of which could be hardware or software. And the selection is down to your workflow and the limitations and understanding the limitations of both hardware and software within all those three elements. I must admit, I have to declare an interest. We are primarily a hardware manufacturer, but you're here to keep the balance as our strategic partner with over 16 years experience.
So when you're considering, for example, a software solution, remember it's going to run on a computing device that isn't designed for the sole application of what you want to do. It's often running shared applications. So it's doing more than just the encoding. You do have the pain of often software updates onto that. But saying that, it can be a very versatile and cost-effective solution.
Absolutely. And likewise, from a hardware point of view, it's built for that purpose. It maximizes the CPU's functionality, and typically once configured, it's a lot more simpler and easier to use as a device. Not to say that we're against hard software. We also produce software solutions ourselves.
I can see that, and a lot does depend on the workflow and the environment. So for example, for portable needs, the best solution is often a hardware device. You've got no moving parts, you have reduced power consumption, it's rugged and it's resilient, and it's obviously portable, which is what you want.
Yeah, so if I can give you an analogy, Lorna, if you take something like a tree, where the video streams coming in are the roots, encoders is the trunk, transcoding is the branches, and the decoders are the leaves. When you're looking at encoding, you want something strong and stable. So typically hardware is the choice there for the encoder. Bit more flexibility within the branches, they move around a bit, and therefore the choice will depend on the workflow. And when it comes to decoding, it could be multiple streams that you're doing to multiple locations. The choice of hardware and software will be dependent on your individual workflow.
Yeah, you'll often find you need more decoders than you do encoders, especially on the distribution, if you're distributing out.
Yeah, and when you're looking at hardware decoding, the things you've got to bear in mind is that you can synchronize the playback. You can make sure that you've got the lowest buffer. It is long-term streaming, low latency, portable often, rugged, and it's simple plug and play.
So what we're saying is you need to match the right solution to your workflow. So talk to Garland to get some advice. Thank you.
Thanks Mark and Lorna. Lots of really good information there. If you want to find out more, then do head to vtech.com. In the meantime, stay safe and we'll see you next time.